name is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. We are on day 5 of our Breyer Advent Calendar unboxing, and we've been learning a little bit more every single day about why we celebrate Jesus, why it was important that he came. So we are going to jump to that today, but first let's check in on Zoe and see what she's up to today. Looks like the snow got melted off pretty good, and she is out exercising the horses with her friend Amy, who likes to come over and help sometimes. Looks like a nice day for it. It's an awful lot of sunshine out there. All right, let's jump into the story of creation. We left off with day 4 yesterday, and today we're going to pick up with day 5 in Genesis 1, starting in verse 20. Then God said, "Let the waters abound," which means be full. "Let the waters abound with an abundance of living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the face of the firmament of the heavens." Remember, that just means the sky. So God created sea creatures and every living thing that moves, with which the waters abounded, according to their kind, and every winged bird according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. He liked what he created, all the fish of the sea and all the birds of the air. And God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters and the seas, and let birds multiply on the earth." So the evening and the morning were the 5th day. So on the 5th day, God took all of that water that he created, he separated it from the sky, and he separated it from the land, and he filled it with all kinds of sea creatures. And then the sky, he filled it with all kinds of birds and flying animals. Isn't that so fun? He made all of those animals for you and me, and he was thinking about you when he created the earth. Now tomorrow, we're going to find out day 6, the creation story is kind of coming to a close where he'll have everything created on the earth for you and me. We'll find out tomorrow what he did on day 6. But right now, it is time to unbox day 5 of our Breyer calendar. Let's see what we got. All right, let's look in here. Oh my, it looks like we have a foal. I guess maybe that was a mama horse that we pulled out yesterday, and this is her little tiny foal, and he is adorable. We have a nice corral for him and his mom and hay. We're going to put all of these cute little Breyer Advent toys together for a fun surprise for Zoe on Christmas Day. I think she's going to like it. Right now, Zoe actually has a fun surprise for us because her and Amy, while they were out there on the trails, decided to make us a fun little video of them exercising the horses. Let's take a look. I think they had a good time making that video. What do you think? Thank you so much for joining me for day 5 of our Breyer Advent Calendar unboxing, day 5 of creation and learning about God making the world, which all leads to why Jesus came and why we celebrate him in the month of December. So I hope you have a great rest of your day, and see you tomorrow.